Samsung is set to announce the Galaxy S9 at MWC 2018 next month, so the leaks are pouring in at this point. The latest leak comes from ETNews, which has reported a bunch of details about what the device might feature. It has claimed the Galaxy S9 will launch with a 12-megapixel rear camera and f1.5 variable aperture lens up to f2.4, while the Galaxy S9 Plus will feature dual 12-megapixel cameras with respective f1.5 and f2.4 cameras. These cameras are expected to offer a slow-motion mode that supposedly supports 1000 fps. Both the Galaxy S9's and Galaxy S9 Plus front camera will be a 8-megapixel sensor. But the Galaxy S9's iris scanner will be integrated in the front camera, while the Galaxy S9 Plus will have an iris scanner separate from the selfie camera. And finally, both the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus will reportedly use Y-OCTA display technology, which are said to be thinner and have better optical properties. The Galaxy S9 will have a 5.77-inch display, while the Galaxy S9 Plus will have a 6.22-inch display. Oh, and both phones WLL have rear-mounted fingerprint scanners. For more details about what the Galaxy S9 and its bigger sibling might feature, see our rumor roundup.